Hi, Richard here, Irish Pens. You've stopped by our Woodland pen in Irish bog oak. This is a very rare wood. It's over 5,000 years old. It's older than the pyramids. And we've sanded and finished the wood to highlight in every detail the beautiful grain within this very, very dark bog oak. The bog oak is set against jewellery grade rhodium and titanium gold. So the pen itself is rhodium. The band around the bottom of the cap and the top of the cap are both titanium gold. The pen is a rollerball pen. We put a Swiss-made refill in the pen, and you can buy those, though, however, in any high street store. If you want to engrave the pen to make this an even very, very special, as it is a very, very high-end gift, you can engrave the pen by clicking yes, I'd like the pen to be engraved, and out will pop, when you hit add to cart, out will pop a little window on the right-hand side of your screen. Put the text in there, keep it to about 20 characters if you can, please, and then we look after the engraving for you. Thanks for stopping by. We hope you like the pen. Any questions, call us at any time.